It didn't start with panic. It started with a single photo, a faint spiral, glowing softly above the Arctic sky. At first, people thought it was just another atmospheric trick, like the Northern Lights. Beautiful, harmless, easy to scroll past. But the next night, it appeared again. And this time, it was Beeger. By the third night, the spirals stretched across entire continents, a massive, glowing swirl suspended in the sky, slowly turning, like something breathing above the planet. No one understood it. Something didn't feel right. People began to notice the pattern. It appeared only at night, always perfectly centered above the dark side of Earth. As the planet rotated, the spiral followed, like it was watching us. Cities dimmed their lights just to see it more clearly. Millions stood outside, staring upward in silence. Some filmed Italiano. Others praged, and then the spiral changed. It started pulsing, soft at first and brighter. Each pulse sent a faint ripple through the sky, like a drop hitting invisible water. Satellites picked it up too. Not just light, but energy. Something was reaching us. Scientists scrambled to explain it. One idea spread quickly. What if the spiral wasn't just light, but a massive electromagnetic structure? Like a giant antenna, or worse, a signal. You see, space isn't empty. It's filled with invisible fields energy that carries information. If something advanced enough wanted to communicate across galaxies, it wouldn't send a message like we do. It might reshape space itself. And that's what this spiral looked like. A distortion. A pattern. Too perfect to be natural. Then the animals reacted. Birds stopped flying at night. Whales changed their migration paths. Dogs howled every time the spiral pulsed. And humans started feeling it too. Sleep became difficult. Some reported vivid dreams. Others described a strange pressure in their heads, like a distant hum you couldn't quite hear. At first, no one connected it, until the fifth night. The spiral pulsed brighter than ever before. And for a brief moment, the entire sky flickered. Every screen on Earth went black. No signal, no sound, just silence. And then a pattern appeared. Not in the sky, in our minds. People across the world described the same thing. A shape, a sequence, something almost like a language, but no one could fully remember it. It slipped away the moment they tried to explain it. As if it wasn't meant to be spoken. Only understood. Governments tried to stay calm. Official statements called it a rare cosmic phenomenon. But behind closed doors, fear was growing, because the spiral wasn't random. It was evolving. Each night, it became more complex, more structured, like it was learning or adjusting. Scientists proposed another idea more unsettling than the first. What if the spiral wasn't sending a message? What if it was receiving one? Think about it. Earth is constantly emitting signals, radio waves, internet data, electromagnetic noise. For decades, we've been shouting into space without realizing it. What if something finally heard us? And this was its response. Not a ship. Not an invasion. A bridge. A way to connect. But connection requires alignment, and slowly, things on Earth began to change. Compasses stopped pointing north. Power grids flickered unpredictably. The ionospheres started to distort. It was as if the spiral was tuning the planet, adjusting. Italiano, preparing Italiano. People stopped going out at night, not because of rules, but because of a feeling. A quiet, shared instinct that something above us was no longer just being observed. It was observing back. And then came the night it stopped spinning. For the first time, the spiral froze in place. Perfect. Still. Watching. The glow intensified. Not blinding, but deep. Almost inviting. And for a moment, the entire world held its breath. Because deep down, everyone felt the same question rising. If this is a message, are we ready to understand it? Or were we never meant to?